Alex. I'm an active real estate investor. I do fix and flips and value add properties here in Southern California. I love showing people how to get involved in real estate investing, especially like using their 401k, because not many people know about that. Unlike Ken, I love buying 700,000 plus properties with low or no money out of pocket. So if you'd like to learn more about that, I can show you something that I do myself. I also host 2 monthly real estate investing events that I'd like to extend the invitation to everybody. One of them is going to be July 29th. It's in Studio City in the Laurel Tavern. There's some flyers there, so if you'd like to join, just scan the QR code and register. We'd love for you guys to come. And we have another one that we host the first Tuesday of every month, which is going to be August 6th. That's in Pasadena. I can give you that information, or more info to come later. We do have a speaker at that event. It's from Inland. They'll be talking about EST, the Delaware Statutory Trust. So it's very educational. So if you're a real estate broker or an investor, you want to learn more about that, that's something cool to learn about. And I'm always looking for investor partners to partner up with, mainly passive investors. So if you have a 401k, or if you have some money but don't have experience or the time, I'd love to partner up with you guys on that. And if you're interested, I do what's called hard hat tours. So I take people that are interested to properties that I'm involved in, just to kind of show you what I'm doing. I don't like to just talk about it, I like to show you. So if you're interested in any of that, come see. Thank you.